Hey, it's Regimus Maximus. I know it's been a while, but I am back. Today we are checking out the Deformation Power-Up from Jinbao. In other words, it's their Gravity Builder Jinbao Upgrade Kit. Hey, get ready.
Regimus, Maximus, Regimus.
Alright, we are back, and today we are checking out the Jinbao Deformation Era Power-Up Kit. This is their upgrade kit for their Gravity Builder, their version of the Gravity Builder anyway. And I'm just going to make it a little bit taller. So, and yes, I know it's been a while since I posted a video. Jobs change, and I haven't been doing it as much. So, but I'm still here. I am still here, and I do plan on putting out more. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging. The packaging is basically basic. Got a picture on the front. My box did get banged up. Nothing on the back. That on top. And there you go. So let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, we have him out the box. Well, we have the set out the box. And it comes in that little clamshell right here. You do get these instructions, and you get this screwdriver and a few other little accessories to make it work. Now, as you can see, these are little thigh pieces that'll go right above his knee to kind of make everything a few inches bigger. You get the get this little waist piece, little crotch piece, and you get these little drills. From what I understand, you can spin them. There we go. It's spinning. It's spinning. It's spinning. Alright, now you do get this little replacement cab section, so you'll get that, and the G1 style head. That looks real nice. So yeah, it looks good. Alright, so what I'm hoping to do is, hopefully mine's got like he's leaning forward a little bit and everything. I mean, I don't think the stability is that really good on that guy. So I'm hoping that it's going to fix this whole situation. So let's go ahead and start this process and see how it helps this Jinbao Gravity Builder. Let's begin. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start with the legs, since that's the simplest part. So what I'm going to do is, on the back of these, you just pretty much slide this in here. You can see the little peg, so they just go right in, just like that. And the other one does the same. So it's that easy as far as that's concerned. Alright, I got him laid down. What you can see here is his top of his head. Got this part up because of the instructions. Let's see if I can show you. They show you this, and for a second I didn't know what the heck that was. But yeah, it's top of his head. So you got to replace the inner parts from this one with the other one and change this whole head out. So these instructions really aren't that clear on that, but that's what you have to do. So you got to take a screwdriver and you got to take that part out, but you also got to take this out. Go ahead and, so you need that part. Then you're going to take these two screws out. But also with the regular hand. I kind of had problems getting this off because it ain't got no handle or nothing, so I had to pop it out of there. So what I'm going to do is, to save time, go ahead and take that off and switch them out. Alright, now another thing you got to do is, after you get the head off, you're going to have to take this head off so that this can fit right here. So that's the next thing you got to do. I don't know, it might clip on there. Let me try it first. So yeah, let me try to clip it on there first. So yeah, I just pushed that on there and that worked, so I did not have to disassemble it. Didn't have to. That's a good thing. It's a great thing. Now you do have this drill. So the drill has a little drawstring. I think that the regular one has it's battery powered. You just pretty much pull that drawstring and it's going, it's spinning. I personally rather have the drawstring feature rather than have to worry about these batteries out of the daggone time. So yeah, I like that. You've also got another waist. I think it's the ratchet's a little bit more better on this and everything, I think is what it is. Possibly, I don't know. If you know, let me know. But I'm not going to replace this right now. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it there and keep it like it is for right now. Alright, here he is. What's his knee replacements? And his little add-on, his new head. I don't. My battery's not working, I guess. Yeah, it's not working. And you got one of his drills right there, so I mean, it does make him look a whole lot better. He's more impressive. I mean, I think he looks more impressive in person than he does on camera. So yeah, I like this. Like it a lot. So yeah, it's not bad at all. Awesome. Alright, as always, we try to do some giveaways. Got some extra names we're dropping into the little cup. So I'm going to draw a couple names out. And let's get these two. We have Walter Green and Shadow _ Lord. So Walter Green and Shadow _ Lord. You are our winners. If you want to win some of our amazing prizes, you gotta go like us, subscribe to our page, and leave a comment. That way we can know, hey, you subscribed. Hey, this is me, so-and-so. I subscribed to your page. I want to win. And you can win some of these. Still got stuff that they give away, but people don't be claiming stuff. All they got to do is be like, hey, I won. Can I get my stuff? So, hey, if you want to win something, subscribe. Let me know what you want. I'll tell you what I got. And that is it, my friend. Once again, this is Regimus Maximus with the Jinbao Devestator upgrade kit. Thank you. I'm sorry it took so long to put this out, but I have been busy. Thank you. Regimus Maximus out. I'm on Regimus Maximus Reviews. Since I do like Rodimus Unicronus from the Power of the Primes, we're checking out some upgrades from Shockwave Labs. They are their SL35 and SL34. It's their hand and gun upgrades. Hey, we will see you then.